But we did more than just look at the global oceans. We actually looked at the patterns of warming. And what we showed was some areas are warming faster than others. So for example, the northern and southern Atlantic Oceans are warming very rapidly. In addition, the northern part of the Pacific by Japan, China, Russia, and Alaska, and Canada, that's warming very rapidly. But we found some areas that were warming less rapidly. So we looked at what's called the spatial pattern. That is, how does the warming differ depending on where you are on the planet? And that was a unique feature of our paper. And the last thing that I would say is unique is we looked at the impact of things besides greenhouse gases. So we asked the question, what other things are impacting the ocean temperatures? For instance, as your listeners know, Peter, because they are really in tune to climate change, there's something called aerosols, which are small particulates in the atmosphere. And think of that as pollution, upper atmosphere pollution. And it turns out upper atmosphere pollution from humans is actually causing a slight decrease in temperature. Now, that the effect of aerosols is being overwhelmed by the warming impact of the oceans. But in short, we were able to tease apart different contributions to ocean warming. Some things offset other things, but at the end of the day, the oceans are warming. They're warming around the planet, but they're warming not uniformly. And we can really now make measurements about what attributes are causing that warming.